Hello, my name is DJ Martin and welcome to the second season of GarageGuruTV. The season of GarageGuruTV is going to be fantastic with many new project vehicles and many great products from our sponsors. I'd like to go ahead and thank all of our viewers, product sponsors, and subscribers on YouTube for your continued support. Like I said, the season is going to feature many great products from Clifford Performance, a whole host of products from Tough Stuff, Mobile One, as well as Spectre Performance once again, and Optima batteries. We are also going to feature many new product vehicles like this, a 2018 Ford Focus HCL hatchback and a 1963 Dodge D100. So go ahead and click on some of those new videos and let's get rolling.